Earwax removal: new secrets that work, a complete guide. Are you struggling with earwax buildup? Here's a complete guide on how to properly deal with earwax. Before we share more of this valuable information, please take a moment to share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. First and foremost, it's important to avoid using cotton swabs or other objects to try and remove earwax. This can actually push the wax further into your ear canal and cause more harm than good. We have more earwax now not because we are older but because we are using earbuds and hearing aids for long periods of time that block and trap dirt and bacteria that can lead to infections. You can try using over-the-counter ear drops to soften the wax. Simply follow the instructions on the packaging and gently tilt your head to allow the drops to reach your ear canal. If the ear drops don't do the trick, you may need to visit a healthcare professional for proper earwax removal. They have the tools and expertise to safely remove the excess wax without causing any damage to your ears. Remember, it's normal to have some earwax as it helps protect your ear canal. But if you're experiencing discomfort or hearing loss due to excessive wax buildup, don't hesitate to seek medical help. We hope you found this discussion informative, and we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. This video was created by Bill Vargas, an independent Medicare agent, which means he works for you, not the insurance companies. Go to Medicare self-enrol.com, enter your zip code to find the right Medicare plan for you in your area, and then easily self-enroll.